Have you ever wondered how a creature the size of your hand can leap over 10 feet in a single bound? Meet the Tarsier, an extraordinary primate found in Southeast Asia. With eyes as large as its brain, it possesses night vision that allows it to hunt insects in total darkness. But that's just the beginning. These little acrobats have flexible necks, enabling them to rotate their heads 180 degrees to spot danger. Their remarkable ability to land silently on branches makes them stealthy hunters. When threatened, the tarsier can also emit an eerie, high-pitched call to ward off predators. Fascinating, isn't it? As we delve deeper into the secrets of this tiny wonder, you'll uncover the hidden marvels of nature that inspire awe.